This is the instructions for the 12-ounce powder coated wine tumbler, specifically for laser etching. So when you get your zip file and extract it to your hard drive, you should see two files next to each other, the lid and the PSD. So just make sure that both of those have been extracted before you start. Also, make sure you can see the timeline down here. If you can't, turn it on with this Windows and ensure that that's ticked. To get the design on there, what we need to do is double click the step 1 thumbnail. Don't do anything in here other than double click this step 2. Here's the design. To get yours on there, just go to File, Place Embedded, and then navigate to wherever you keep your designs, and then hit Place. So once you've positioned it and you're happy, click the close here and say yes. Be sure to say yes, and close this again, say yes, and then you can preview. If everything looks sensible, go ahead and go to the menu and click Render Video. You can stick with these defaults. All you need to do is set a place to save it with the folder and the file name, and click Render. It will take a minute or so, depending on how fast your machine is. Other things you can do, you can change the background if you want to by double clicking the background, and then go and File, Place Embedded, and then locate wherever your backgrounds are. There's an optional shadow for alternative backgrounds here as well. Other things to mention, the color change on this layer here. You double click color overlay, and I'll bring up a color picker there if you do that. I think that's everything. If there's anything you're not sure about or need more info on, just give me a shout.